Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. Hope everyone is fine. On that note, let's start this video. So this is week 9 assignment of the course cloud computing. Guys, for the past 5 years we have been giving solutions for various NPTEL courses including the cloud computing. I hope every solution is 100% correct. If there are any changes that come to your notice, please bring it to the comment section, so we will try to resolve and put out the final solution guys in the comment section. So please watch the video till the end without skipping, and please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends and classmates guys. First one, in which of the following architectures two or more partner clouds interoperate to aggregate their resources and provide users with a larger virtual interface? So for first question, the answer is option B guys, aggregated architecture. So mark option B guys. Next, moving on to the second question. Select the correct statements regarding offloading. So if you see the first option, they have given from the edge to the cloud, but in lectures it's mentioned to the edge, onto the edge. So I think the meaning is somewhat different, so I'm not going with this option A. I'm going with option B, C and D. So mark B, C and D as the probable solutions for second question. Guys, if you want to give me any suggestions regarding change of solution or any other related to our videos, you can please give your opinion positively in the comment section guys, so we'll try to improve that. Next, third question. Third question. Fog computing is a model in which data processing and applications are concentrated in devices at what rather than existing almost entirely in the cloud. So for third question, the answer is option D guys, network edge. So answer is option D guys. Next, fourth question. So before getting into this fourth question, I want to make a small announcement guys. So that is regarding exam preparation MCQs. So we have prepared a huge number of 300 MCQs guys, 300 MCQs. No other channel is providing MCQs, only our channel is prepared these exam preparation MCQs. So these are combination of previous year's questions as well as our own handmade prepared questions guys. For the course cloud computing, we have prepared the exam preparation MCQs, a huge number of 300 MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link guys. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only guys. Each MCQ we are giving for 1 rupee only. So last time the price is 500 rupees even for one person. So in order to reduce burden on students, we have decreased the price from 500 to 300 guys. So for one person if you take, it is 300 rupees. For 2 to 5 persons, that means if your the same subject is your classmate, or if your friend is doing the same subject as you do, then you can combinedly take this package. For 2 to 5 persons it is just combinedly 500 only. So individual price will be reduced if you share among yourself. So it is very much useful guys. 300 MCQs for 2 to 5 persons, it is combinedly 500 rupees guys. If you pay 500 rupee, up to 5 members can use that. So even if you are one person, no need to worry, you are getting it for 300 rupees only instead of 500. So this is the mail ID guys. If you want to mail me, you can mail me to this email ID if you want to purchase. So remember guys, only if you are confirmed to purchase this pack, then only mail me guys, because many students are messaging us in order to purchase. So we have to give the time for them to make the purchase. So only if you are confirmed and only if you want to purchase, then only mail me guys. For any other doubts, you can ask me in the YouTube comment section itself. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared these questions guys. So this is the mail ID you have to mail me if you want to purchase. I will tell the procedure to purchase this pack. So this is the mail ID, guys. I will give the same email ID in this description box as well as in the comment section. And there is another pack, guys, that is YouTube membership. Here you will only get 100 plus MCQs, and it is only for one person and 89 rupees, but only available in video format, and it is also for 1 month only, guys. So if you want to purchase this pack, you can directly go to our channel page. So Kumar Edu, beside the subscribe button there is join button. Click on that. A window will be open like this. Select the second one, 89 per month pack, and again click on join and make payment directly to YouTube. That's it. You will become member of our channel and you can get access to all of our members only videos. So here you can see cloud computing part 2 and part 1 also prepared, guys. So you can get all these access for the videos for just the same 89 rupees only. But my suggestion is you have to take the 300 MCQs PDF pack, because here you are getting MCQs in PDF format. You can easily revise, you can search the questions also. You can easily search the questions through search option, and 300 MCQs which cover almost all corners of weeks of syllabus. So for one person it is 300 rupees, guys, and for 2 to 5 persons combinedly it is 500 rupees, guys. This is the mail ID you have to mail me. Already many students have taken our pack and got benefited, guys. So many students gave us the positive feedback that many questions came in the exam or similar to our questions provided. So I hope this season also it will be repeated, I hope. So this is the mail ID, guys, bk179417 @gmail.com @gmail.com. So my suggestion is it's better to take this 300 MCQs package. So mail fast so that you can make payment fast, so that you'll get MCQs as early as possible, and you can easily start studying from the next minute itself, so that you'll be ahead and you can get time to prepare for other subjects at the back end, guys. So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So fourth question. According to the server placement taxonomy in fog edge computing, which of the following can be classified as online versus offline? So for fourth question, the answer is option B, guys, placement characteristic. So mark option B. Next, fifth question, guys. Fifth question. Fog infrastructure consisting of IoT devices, fog nodes, and at least one cloud data center never ensures scalability. So the answer is option A, true, guys. Option A, true. So mark option A as correct answer for fifth question. Now let's move on to the sixth one. So guys, there is small correction in that. Actually they have given never, right? It means no scalability. Never means in a negative sense, right? So actually the fog infrastructure consisting of IoT devices, fog nodes, and at least one cloud data center will ensure the scalability, but they have given never. So this is wrong statement. So option B is the correct answer. So hope you have marked it, guys. That's why I told you to watch the video till the end without skipping. So we have corrected it here itself in the video. So option B is the correct answer, guys. Next, sixth question. Sixth one. Cloud Federation should prefer maximum geographical separation. So for sixth question it is option A, true, guys. So mark option A. Next, seventh one. Seventh question. In which of the following Cloud Federation architectures creation of cross-site networks and cross-site migration of VMs are used? So for seventh question, the answer is Option C, tightly coupled federation. Tightly coupled federation. So mark option C, guys. Next, eighth question. Eighth question. What are the application placement constraints for fog nodes? So for eighth question, there are two probable solutions, guys. The first one is option A, network constraints, and the other one is option C, resource constraints. So mark option A and C, guys. Next, ninth one. The ninth question, guys. The dash used for resource management in fog edge computing are classified on the basis of data flow control and tenancy. So before getting to know this solution, I want to once again make you remember, guys. So we have prepared exam preparation MCQs which will be helpful, very much helpful for your final exam preparation, guys, with 5 years of NPTEL experience. So you are getting a huge number of 300 MCQs, guys, which is almost equal to 3 years questions, right? So 300 number of MCQs in a Google Drive PDF link, guys. So for one person it is just 300 rupees. Last time we gave it for 500, but now we have decreased the price in order to make the burden reduce on each student. So for one person it is just 300 rupees only, guys, 300 MCQs, and for 2 to 5 persons combined it is 500, guys. So you can save a lot of money if you are partner up with your friends or classmates, guys. So this is the mail ID you have to mail me if you want to purchase. So this is the mail ID, guys. So only mail me if you want to purchase, guys. For any other doubts, don't message me. You can ask me in the comment section of YouTube itself, YouTube video. So this is the mail ID, guys. So for one person it is 300 rupees, and for 2 to 5 persons combined it is 500 rupees, guys. So if your classmates are doing the same course along with you, and you can team up for 2 to 5 persons, even if 1 to 5 persons actually. If you are only one person, you can take it for 300 rupees only, guys, and if you are 2 to 5 persons, you can take it for combinedly 500 rupees only. You can share the money within yourself, right? So that's it, guys. Now let's get back to the solutions. So for ninth question, the answer is option B, architectures, guys. Option B, architectures. So mark option B as correct answer for 9th question. Now let's move on to the final question of the assignment, that is 10th one. A CSP has little or no control over remote resources in case of what? So for 10th and final question of the assignment, the answer is option C, guys. Loosely coupled federation. Loosely coupled federation. So mark option C as correct answer for 10th question. So friends, these are the solutions for cloud computing week 9 assignment. So hope this video helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and definitely share that with your friends or classmates, guys. And don't forget to purchase this 300 MCQs, huge number of MCQs, guys, which will cover almost every week syllabus here. So 300 MCQs pack, guys. Last time many students have taken and got benefited, and this time also many people started taking our pack, guys. So be one of them and prepare now itself, so that you can get more time at the end to prepare for other subjects, or you can revise the same subject. So you'll get in a Google Drive PDF link these 300 MCQs, guys. So for one person it is 300 rupees only, and for 2 to 5 persons, if you take it combinedly, it will be 500 rupees. You can save more money as well. So this is the mail ID, guys. You can mail me to this email ID. So with 5 years of NPTEL experience, we have prepared this, guys. This is the cloud computing exam preparation MCQs, the summary. So you can mail me to this email ID only if you want to purchase, guys. So that's it, guys. So keep supporting us like this. So until the next video, goodbye, thank you.